Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to craft a sand sculpture base for the new sand sculpture hobby in Heartopia. So before you can start making sand sculptures, you need to craft a sand sculpture base first. This one, it will look like this. This one, it will look like this. But just keep in mind that its base is single use only, so once you finish one sculpture, you will need another base for the next one. And if you plan to level up this hobby, make sure to prepare plenty of stone and quality timber, since you will be crafting lots of bases. And then to craft one, simply head to the workbench. After you purchasing this hobby, you will automatically get the sand sculpture base recipe, and it will add it to your workbench. So just go to your workbench and then next just choose items and then just choose this sand sculpture base, and then in here you need 8 stone and then for quality timber, and then next just choose how many you want to craft, and then after that just simply tap on craft like this, and just like that. Now you have your sand sculpture base and you are ready to start creating sand sculptures and leveling up your new hobby. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!